Take me back to the time na nagsisimula ka pa lang sa Eat Bulaga.
Yeah, correct.
Parang ang feeling ko kasi sa lahat ng mga naging host ng Eat Bulaga, parang na madali yung adjustment nila.
That's true. Super bigla-bigla talaga lahat na nagsama-sama kami dito. Pero thankful ako na click kami agad eh. Parang we worked around it like a charm. The first thing that was taught to us was to remain humble and to not say anything that would be bad, to not react na lang muna, and just to remember what we're doing this for. So siguro yun yung lumabas, and that's what made the job easier every day.
Pero you knew, di ba, when you accepted it, that there was a risk. Alam naman natin, di ba, in the time that you accepted yung job as a host ng Eat Bulaga, dumadaan ito sa controversy nung time na yun.
Yes.
Was it a difficult time for you?
Oo naman. Kuya Nelson, the night before I was crying.
Really?
Kasi hindi naman iyak agad, pero like I was overthinking everything. Parang tama ba itong ginagawa ko? Baka ganito ganyan, baka I'm not thinking of the other side, the general sympathy that the Filipinos have for them. I don't know the whole story. And syempre the bashers, hindi na yan bago, pero at the same time, hindi mo rin masasabi na hindi ka masasaktan. You also don't know if it's gonna be good for your image or not. But like what I said earlier, tinapangan ko na lang talaga yung sarili ko, yung loob ko. Yeah.
How did you respond to the bashers?
I did not respond to the bashers.
So wala, dead ma?
Yeah, dead ma. Kuya Nelson, kasi I thought, actually, yung una, parang nag-joke kami first day pa. Are we just gonna like turn off our comment section? Si Paolo naman, syempre sanay na yan. Breakfast, lunch, dinner niya, bashers, wala siyang pakialam, di ba? Matapang na siya. Ako medyo bago-bago na pa rin kahit papaano sa industry because I started very late. So, but I tried to like not mind it at first. Pero nung notifications lumabas na, ako medyo naapektuhan na ako. Ayoko siyang lumabas sa stage pag nag-host ka. Para sa akin kasi, ihiwalay mo yon kung ano man yung emotions na kaya mo, na makaka-bother sa'yo. Ihiwalay mo para hindi maapektuhan yung work mo. So what I did was I turned off my notifications and I didn't read.
So nag-social media fasting ka?
Correct, oo.
For how long?
Until now. Pero ito, kapag kunyari I want to scroll on TikTok, ganyan. Kasi syempre gusto ko, nag-appreciate ako ng fans, so nagko-comment ako sa mga edits na whatever. Pero may mga nadadaanan ako na nagsasabi na ganito, ganyan. First of all, like comparing me to the respected Maine Mendoza. Gano'n naman, para sa akin naman, tayo as artists, we have our own individuality, and I don't think anyone wants to copy anyone. Pero they can serve as our inspiration then as well. So, minsan lang maapektuhan ka if you allow yourself to be affected by them, diba?
Alam mo, mabuti na lang binanggit mo, no, na parang kino-compare ka nga kay Maine. And how did you take that at first? Ano ba, nainis ka ba o na-flatter ka? Ano ba yung naging unang reaction mo?
Unang reaction, it's not bad to be compared to Miss Maine Mendoza kasi syempre ang taas-taas na ni Miss Maine and ang ganda.
So idol mo rin pala?
Oo naman, of course. She's an inspiration, but the thing is, parang nasaktan siguro ako sa sinabi na kahit anong gawin mo, hindi ka naman magiging Maine Mendoza. Parang masyado kang masaya, masyado kang energetic, kalmahan mo lang, hindi ka siya.
Well, alam mo, in fairness totoo din naman yun. Kasi hindi ka naman magiging Maine talaga because you are yourself. Correct. Diba?
And lumalabas yung happiness ko eh. Hindi ko rin naman po siya ginagaya. So, yung mga ilang comments lang na natadaan, minsan nasasaktan ako. Pero I don't let it get to me. Siguro I take it as constructive criticism na lang.
Sorry kasi Maine and I are friends.
Yeah.
And I can see the resemblance now. Alam ko na kung ba't ka kino-compare. I can see the resemblance.
Thank you naman.
But that's a compliment You know how beautiful Maine is.
Naku,
diba?
lalo na sa personal. Akala nyo ang ganda-ganda niya na sa picture, mas maganda pa siya lalo sa personal.
So, namiss mo na siya?
Yes, pero hindi ko alam kung maaalala niya ako. Parang briefly lang na nadaanan.
How did you feel nung time na yon?
Starstruck. Super starstruck.
Sana sinabi mo,
Yeah.
sana sinabi mo, "Hi, Main, ako yung kamukha mo."
Uy, huwag naman gano'n. Nahiya naman ako. Tapos ako kasi sa Eat Bulaga before, kaya gustong-gusto ko siya nun. Hindi ko alam kung nag-artista na ako or hindi. Baka hindi pa masyado. Pero yung segment nila ni Alden na she's so simple. And like
Yes.
she's herself and apologetic and wala siyang pakialam kung anong i-dub smash niya, di ba? Basta
Yeah.
kung pumangit man yung mukha niya, facial expressions. Ang ganda kasi talaga pag authentic ka. Mamahalin ka talaga ng tao. Kaya dun ako bumilib talaga kay Miss.